Good morning.
Morning.
And welcome to day 5.
Day 5.
Today's Monday.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You always lose days when you're away, don't you? Today's Monday, and today was going to be a rest day, and we were just going to chill. But as we abandoned Animal Kingdom on Saturday. Saturday. Yesterday was Sunday.
Yesterday was Sunday, it's Monday today again.
As we abandoned Animal Kingdom on Saturday, we are heading out there for a few hours. So it's now 11 o'clock in the morning, so we've had a nice lie-in, a nice restful morning. We have the Edison at Disney Springs booked for 5 p.m. Did I just say Springs, by the way? Disney Springs.
Disney Springs. Is that right? It's Disney Ding.
We have the Edison booked for 5 p.m. So we're probably going to be about 4.5 hours or so at Animal Kingdom. So we should get a few bits done that we didn't get done on Saturday. That's the plan for today. So we'll see you throughout the day as we go along.
Bye.
It's just so beautiful here. I absolutely love this park. That's a fish.
No, that's a catfish.
Size of the thing.
Out of the water. Oh, and I do see actually up ahead of us there are quite a few that are out of the water, laying over here, enjoying this nice weather today. Very good view of those hippos there. When you see them together in a group like that, they are called a float of hippos. It's a wildebeest here, and then out past the wildebeest we can also see those sable antelope back there as well. And sable antelope use their antlers to defend themselves against predators like lions that can pounce upon them. So they're pretty fearless. These are greater flamingo on your left. They are the tallest and lightest pink of all the flamingo species. And they get their pink coloration from the shrimp that they eat. So that's how you can tell them apart. We also can't really see the white rhino's faces very well right now, but we may see more up ahead. And if we do get to see them up ahead, you'll see the wide set jaw that I'm talking about. Lions are nocturnal, so they will spend most of the day asleep. They actually sleep 16 to 20 hours a day. So as I was saying, they're nocturnal. They're going to be sleeping all day till their eyesight gets stronger at night, and that is when they're going to hunt. And it is primarily the lionesses that will hunt when their eyesight gets stronger at night. Oh, to your left, there's a warthog you can see down. Oh, there's a couple of them back there. So out towards your left, in that little dirt patch over there, those are warthogs. They come from the same family as the domesticated pig. All three of these ostrich we're seeing here are females. I can tell by their gray feathers. The males have dark black feathers. And if you look to your right, there's also ostrich eggs just down in the grasses over here. Ostrich eggs are also very large. They're gonna weigh around 3 pounds each.
We are heading back to the car now after a very successful 4 hours at Animal Kingdom. We started off by riding the safari. We had a is that you'd been an elephant?
No, you had the safari.
Oh, right, okay. It was a brill safari. All the animals were out. It was excellent. We rode Expedition Everest, we rode Dinosaur, we saw some Chipmunkosauruses, which, if you've ever seen the Chipmunkosauruses, you know how fun that is. We also saw Mickey and Minnie in their safari outfits.
Very talkative.
Who are really talkative. We had a good 5 minutes with them, I'd say, which is a long time for a character meet.
Mickey don't like lions, though.
Mickey is scared of lions, if you didn't know that. Now you do, and he's too old to ride Dinosaur. It hurts his back. But now we're just heading back to the car. We have our trusty Joffrey. This one we picked up just outside Animal Kingdom in the entranceway.
Savannah banana.
It is a Savannah banana, and it is very nice. And we're heading on over to Disney Springs. We've got an early dinner.
Tea.
For non-northern people.
Tea.
Early tea at the Edison. Then we'll be heading back for an early night. But we will be back later to let you know what we thought of the Edison.
Well, we've finished Animal Kingdom. We're now in Disney Springs in the Edison, and we've just this camera woman is very strange. And we've just ordered, so we're going to have Caesar salad to begin with, and then we're having the Edison burger, which is a signature blend of sirloin, short rib, and brisket topped with white cheddar, crispy onions, smoked bacon, Mickey salmon pickles. I don't like pickles. Lettuce, neither of us having tomatoes because we don't like tomatoes, and special sauce to serve with fries, along with a Sprite for Mickey and for me a root beer, because this is the only place I can get root beer and enjoy for like 2 weeks and a whole. It's very nice in here.
Well, this is the Caesar salad we ordered to share as a starter. It's humongous, and I'm rather glad we got it to share. If this was a main with chicken attached, you'd be well full. So this was $18 as a starter between us. Quite impressed. See what Ian thinks. Yeah. Oh, stuck in. Well, this looks lovely. Are you excited for your burger?
Bring it on.
Look at my hair. I look like a right scratter.
Can't take it a step.
No.
I can't take her out anywhere.
That is true. We finished at the Edison. We ate those amazing burgers. That was, I think, for me anyway, I would say the best burger I've had on Disney property. That Edison burger was cooked so well. It was absolutely delicious. I would recommend that. The fries were alright, they had nice flavour. No, nothing.
Fries are fries.
Fries are fries.
Fries are fries when they're not crisp. It's always a bonus.
Yes. We found that they serve crisps or chips with things as opposed to chips or fries.
They even make them warm sometimes. It's like, why? Just give us chips. It's fine.
So we really enjoyed that. The burgers were $25, the Edison burger.
Yep.
And absolutely worth it in my opinion. Yep. It's still early. We had an early reservation. It's not even 6 o'clock. I'm going to wander around Disney Springs as it's starting to get dark.
Shopping therapy. Again.
See if we can get some more goodies. And that'll be it for tonight. We'll fill you in on our shopping when we get back to the villa. Back at the villa after a wander around Disney Springs. Got myself a nice little bargain, some notepads that were in the D100 half price off sale, and now I'm just sitting outside soaking my aching feet in the spa. Just gonna chill out. It's only just after 8 o'clock, so it's still nice and early. And yeah, that's it for day 5. Tomorrow we're back at Hollywood Studios. We have no meals booked for tomorrow, so we will see how the day takes us. But in the meantime, thank you so much for watching. If you've liked the video, give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And click that notification bell so you know when all the videos drop. Share the videos with your friends if you think they'll like it. And as always, just thank you again for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.